It's warming up and summer's finally on the way. No one's gonna want to slave over a hot stove. Let's go ahead and do up a salad that can be used for lunch or supper. Super quick, super easy. In the oven I have a 1/4 cup of almonds toasting right now. 350 for 10 minutes. Quickly dice up about a 1/4 cup of ham. I love this carving board meat from Oscar Mayer. It's amazing. 3/4 cup of turkey. Set that aside right quick. I have a red apple. I have a gala here. Get this cord. Get these sliced up nice and thin. Keep those from brown. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Stir those up to get them all covered in the lemon. Add our meats. Got some pre-rinsed grapes here. Gonna add about a 1/4 cup of those. I have a few clusters set aside as a garnishment for this. Add about 1/3 of our toasted almonds into there. Get that all stirred. It's a super fast dressing for this. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/2 teaspoon of soy, 1/4 teaspoon curry powder. Get that all mixed together. And now we let that sit in the fridge for about 50 minutes, just those flavors to meld some. I have a bed of baby red and green lettuce leaves. Pop this on top of it. Grape clusters and the rest of those toasted almonds. One super quick salad for lunch or a weeknight supper, good and filling.